Hello, morning, Bobby. How are you? Okay, so I'm actually recording this using my iPhone. I wanted to record this using the Loom, but for some reason Loom was not working. So I just wanted to quickly walk you through and give you a couple of disclaimers, right? And of course the thought process behind. So as you see, I have a GIF in the background, which is a depiction of how the video would work, and how the full fold essentially would give the user a very immersive experience, right? So he would get to experience whatever we are showing on to that video. um, there are a couple of changes, so I have regrouped this whole section. We have home, then product, then industries, and the drop down for that, then consultancy. Maybe this should be under resources, then about us, and then resources. As you see here, I have added the card here as well, because of course we would have e-commerce component to it. CTA, get your all tested now by test kit, because another CTA or product that they have also needs to be sold, a hook there. And so the story is that the moment user land on this one, after 5 seconds this pop-up or bottom section widget would appear, that would have fuel testing, auto testing, all testing, and you can lead the journey from here on, rather than you go uh, and explore the page. So quickly, we have, as you see, also partnered with. Um, I I wanted this section to have logos of the companies that we have partnered with, or people that we are associated with. And for now it's dummy, but I mean, for social proof, we should have these big companies, small companies logos that people could recognize and relate to. The second section has, you see, white users for all testing, as a pitch line, or punchline, right? As a pitch. You see, I have added this section just by thousands of customers, so that there is more social proof to it. This section has a very interesting interaction. So I could not design it or prototype it as of for the draft section, but wanted to quickly show you and tell you verbally how this would go. So this section, so user can scroll. Actually, user will be scrolling, and these numbers would change. And as we would have different numbers, or the people would be scrolling this section, the idea is that this illustration would have the oil getting filled up, and there's that kind of animation that I had envisioned. We can do that. I mean, that's pretty simple. Some numbers are on the product, and why they should work with us. The fourth section here, as you see, is explore our product, and I have listed all the categories here that they have. But see, we do not have product image, so, or I feel that the product images would be so kind of not aligned with the overall status of the website, and sometimes also boring, because I saw how competitors are doing it. So the idea is that we would have products or the services here, and the icon could be changed, and we actually have a very similar iconography throughout. I'll show you quickly how that iconography works. So another section is pitch, and add some context to the company, and essentially it's about us, right? Bringing your innovation with extraordinary precision. I came up with this copy. This element would be floating element on top of the image that we have in the back. the same flowing element here as well, just to relate to the industry that we work with. um, I look forward to hear back from you. I'm actually going to send you this product link too, so that you can navigate and review it yourself, and looking forward. Thanks.